Hi, how are you all? I hope all of you are okay and I hope you try out all my recipes, and if you try out only I'll be happy. So please do try out all my recipes and see how it comes, right? That is something that I want you to do in favor of me, right? So now do that and see. Now I am going to do meat cakes with salad. Meat cakes with salad. So we will see how the meat cakes with salad is going to be like. For that also we need a little bit of tempering and all that and deep frying. So we will see how it is done. Now I am going to do a bit of tempering. So the tempering, as I put, I will show you. Onions, finely chopped onions, red pepper, garlic, capsicum, ginger. Temper this and take it. Stir fry this. Put a little salt, a bit of pepper. Later we will add more seasoning. Onions, ginger, garlic, capsicum, red pepper. Those are the ingredients that we have used here. Now what I am going to do here, you can watch what I am going to do. Raw mince meat. Meat is raw, mince meat. Whenever we use raw mince meat, what should you do? Fresh bread. Fresh bread we have to use. If I don't use fresh bread, what happens is the raw meat, water comes out from that, it doesn't get mixed together like. Now I will use this stir fried ingredients. I just put a little salt, but that is not enough, no. Now I add more salt, more pepper, a little turmeric, chili powder, we will use a little more, and a little chili pieces also. Along with that, a little mustard cream. Mustard cream also you use about a teaspoon of mustard cream. Okay. A little bit of lime juice. Okay. Mix all these together. With the fresh bread, raw meat when we have to use the fresh bread. If I use boiled mince meat, then boiled potatoes are being used, right? So, we will see how it comes now. Mixed all this together. If you like any other vegetables, if you want, you can use like carrot and cabbage don't want. Beans you can use like that. You can use whatever other vegetables you like. Raw meat, no? Raw means meat. Whenever you want raw means meat, don't go and buy at the supermarket the raw means meat. You buy the meat and wash nicely, mince at home. Never buy the mince meat. Mince meat won't be okay for us. Like small, say, like cakes, I need this. Small cakes, right? Now the meat cakes are done. Now what I am going to do is, I am dipping it in flour. Now we will take the flour away. Now I have taken the egg. Put a little chili pieces, a little salt, a little bit of pepper. I put, mix it nicely. Dip this in egg and then in breadcrumb. Since I'm using the gloves only a problem, nicely wash your hands and do it so that it won't be a problem at all. Like, one more to go. The oil should get heated. If the oil is heated only, I can do the work. Otherwise, what will happen is it will start cracking. You have to put your spoon and turn it. Right before that, don't turn it. Don't put the spoon immediately. Right? We have to wait for a while before I put the spoon, because if I put the spoon immediately, this will start cracking. Now see, it doesn't crack. We put dipped in flour, then in egg, then in breadcrumb. Right? We have already done that. Deep fried this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make a salad cream. What are we going to make? We are going to make a salad cream. We'll leave this on a side and we'll make the salad cream. Okay, to make the salad cream, yogurt, olive oil, lime juice, half a teaspoon of vinegar, lime juice, vinegar, mustard cream, yogurt we added. If I didn't use yogurt, I would have used a teaspoon of sugar. Yogurt is sweet, so I didn't use the sugar. Simple as that. What about our meat cakes? Parsley goes very well and you can eat the parsley. So please remember, parsley should go with this. While you are serving it, we can have one of these dipped in sauce and taken. Okay? Now this type of preparation that I have done for you, I hope you can see what it is like. This could be served with any kind of rotis or French bread, dinner buns, whatever you like you can serve with. Salad and the meat cakes. So you try it out and see. Lovely, it's nice for dinner time. Dinner time, this is the best what we could do like. And even children come from school and you can always give them these type of preparations. It's nice. It's more nourishing and healthy preparation. So try it out and see how it comes, and even your family members will love it if you see this type of preparation. So please do try it out and see how it comes. When it comes nice and tasty, I hope you will tell your friends also. And I hope to see you next week with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.